Yakni benta jongga kubor la 100 daga fatafat online shopping store.
Hadin balap penjesor ya ka lockdown ni kajing kangdam ka balayat menta lakong balay banay duna iyay kanong ba shalong kala sakhi ya kajing khamya byang da Jingplie Dukan ba kajing ya ki kalim kari khasi channel habalit lum khubor masin penjesor ya ka lockdown kalalap ba kidukan hakithan police bazar kilapli katkum kajing batha ba kiyo nak sarkar kata da ka bayat da ki ot but even number Hagani kajing lum khubor kajongi lalap badan katukat ni kidukan kibalapun kre bha banlat na kajing por khunyang jingpang coronavirus dakaba kilasan ret dawai ya kidukan bat boru kikindon kum ki social distancing bat kiwe habai kran bat katukat ni kitrai dukan kilapun pau ya kajing sokumen bat kilayo alat ban plebeng ya kidukan bat kilaya thuru banlat na kajing por khunyang jingpang coronavirus kilapun kre ya bon kilat jingyada na du ki thermal screening ki hand sanitizing bat kiwe
It's good that we have opened up gradually, but we have to take precautions because COVID hasn't gone in as yet. So anyway, the market has opened. It's a positive sign, but we'll have to be careful.
Do you follow all protocols from health department?
Yes, we do get directions and all that, and we are following all the protocols.
Okay. Which means sanitizer and all.
We are sanitizing. We have the temperature thing. We have the social distancing thing, and our counters are cleaned every 1 hour to desanitize it again.
We can say that thank God that we got the permission to open the shop because it's been 3 months, almost 3 months, and everything is going from home. We have 10 employees. I have another shop there, so we have to pay salaries, rent from home.
What about the protocols for a customer? Do you follow all the protocols of the hotel?
Protocols come inside. Like a customer will sit here, no one will sit here, someone will sit here. So we are doing that. Then we are only entering one person to enter. Like if a customer comes, 3 or 4 people comes together. The only person who needs the shoe, we are letting them enter. Then we have sanitizer also outside, so they can sanitize and come. So after the shop gets closed, we sanitize everything. So we are following those protocols also.
Regarding the opening of shops, is it alternate days or what?
It's alternate days, odd and even.
Odd and even.
Yes. Today is even number. It is Tuesday today. So like this week, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday is for the even numbers. And again the next week it will be Monday, Wednesday and Friday for the even numbers. The odd numbers will be changing again.
So feeling so good. It's the opening market because we are all our employees here. All lockdown, we don't have any money also to buy anything also. Now it's opening, we are so happy to opening now these days.
Do you follow the protocols of all the health department, like social distancing?
Yeah, everything we are following. Everything we are following. What is the from government is given the rule and regulation, term and conditions saying we are following everything.
Iway na kinong thiet jing thiet habakran bat ngi lapan pau ya kajing sokumen bakidukan kilap lebyang bat ilaban rap lu bakaday yangi kibreu banong kibahusiar hi na kani kaklam COVID-19.
Ni snow tenat ni kin balap lebyang nak yo ban kamai ban keji ban chong dukan ban chong ban naik ban wan ban yo tre yo tai kam kajam mo. Dan hi kajing so si te tamar balai ba kat ni jing jia tamor ban lebyang ro ya dai kajing pang ning ni bela ni perkhat te ban chong ying ro yo ba mi DNA te da plio ro hab yatur bela kat sumar ka jengpang dengan ya bela dengan ni chong ying ni kuat ke meni chong ying ban sumar ban ya da ya la de tang ba lem do
Hakawai pat ka khubor kat bakithan police bazar kila sakhi ya Jingplie jong kibabon kidukan henry ka yodo pat ka bade ka yo kabarim bat ka bahetam hajala hadu menta menne la sakhi bakidang khang